Close to my heart, I think of the thought of you. Open my eyes to the thought of what love could be, living a whole life through. And I've got a place in my heart where the sun shines, even when everything is gray. And all that I own could be tossed in the fire, and I would feel the same. I would feel the same. I've traveled the world and the 7 seas, and one thing I've learned to be true: the things that you make and the things that you love is all that'll stay with you. And I've got a place in my heart where the sun burns, even when everything is cold. And all that I own could be feed for the windstorm, and I would feel at home. I would feel at home. I've got a place in my heart. I've got a place in my heart. I've got a place in my heart. Thank you. Well, if you don't have money to support me now, you can buy my CDs through my website. Actually, on Bandcamp, there's a link, and you can actually buy them online. So.